It's also giving me like wicked anti-Congo style witch anti-vibe. If Rihanna acted in Mad Max and she was in the era of red hair, this is exactly what her hair would have looked like. What is this? The hair does not even have, like, it's defying the laws of gravity. What is this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today I'm going to do like sort of a fun video. Today's video I'm going to basically raid my grandmother's closet. That is, like, I go into her closet, pick out some of her wigs and try to see if that a hit or smash. And this was basically inspired by when I tried the weirdo astro wig and I was like, nah, this is a grandma wig. I was like, oh wait, I can do my grandma's wig. So I have with me a bag of her wigs I went and got from her room, and then now I'm just going to like wear each one of them, and then I'm going to try and rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 to see how good it goes or whatnot. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this video, say hi down in the comment section, and I will meet you down there. Okay, bye. Okay, so I don't know if I should start from like the worst to the best. Maybe I should just do like a random selection thing and just be like, put your hand into the bag and then. Okay, so this is the first wig my hand picked. I made this wig for her actually on my channel, and I'm sure a lot of you watched that video when she was a guest here. I should wear a wig cap, but again I'm bald, so it's not really changing anything. Wait. Alright, wait. I'm trying to take it to the side. Alright, so I think this is, we can all agree that this looks better like this. So my thoughts on the wig, it's not bad. I mean, the construction is solid. I made the wig. The color is okay. I realized red looks good on me. My grandmother happens to like red. But the whole aesthetic of the wig, I would totally wear a wig like this to go. I mean, it's not bad. The wig is not bad. It's like I don't know where I'm trying to go for, but it's not bad, honestly. So this week I'm going to give it a solid 6/10. I'm going to give it a 6/10. And okay. Okay. Okay, wait, let me see if I can try and finesse this week. I'm going to brush it forward a little. Why is it dusty? Why does this one thing... Alright, so this wig, if I was a mom, maybe a few years before, and they called my child to the principal's office, this is the kind of wig I would wear to tell the principal that I mean business. So the wig isn't bad. I wish you'd wait. Let me turn around and then you can see the back. It's quite old. I think this should be one of our oldest wigs. Well, it's also giving me like wicked anti-Congo style witch anti-vibes. You know those aunties that are always in your business, always tell lies about you. This is the kind of wigs that they always wear, okay? And they'll have the eyebrows really thin and drawn like that. So yeah, this is also the kind of vibe I'm getting up from this wig. But looking at the wig, I think I'm going to give it a 3, just because I don't feel like it's something that I'll wear. But it's not bad. I think a 3 is not really fair, but man, the wig plus it's old, so that's a 3 for me. Okay, dipping my hand into the bag, and ta-da! I should stop pushing these things around. any way that I can make this thing nicer. Let me try. Nah, even putting it on the side is not working. Wait. This. Oh well, I guess this is how I'm supposed to wear the wig. This wig is giving me. What is this woman's name? I've been looking for this woman's name since yesterday. What's the name of that woman that's on Avide 111? Mani Bella Lady Pons. What's the other woman's name? Her name just came out. Yes, Coco Argente. This thing is giving me Coco Argente vibes. Now I feel like dancing. Seriously, this is giving me. Wait, I went to look for the video, but this is giving me like one of her video vibes. And I know that she has had hair like this. No, Lady Pons usually is on the other side of the spectrum, but yeah, this one is not bad. So my ratings, that one was even better than this one. I'm going to give this one a solid 2/10. Cause what is this? The hair does not even have, like, it's defying the laws of gravity. What is this? What is this? Alright, so I'm going to move on to the next one. Is this even a wig? This is my wig, but I'm going to wear it anyways. This thing is giving me crackhead Rihanna vibes if she was on Mad Max. I don't know if you guys have, everybody should watch Mad Max. Mad Max is like a cultural movie or something. But if Rihanna acted in Mad Max and she was in the era of red hair, this is exactly what her hair would have looked like. I'm not feeling this one. I'm going to give this one. It's only 1/10. I've never seen. It's not even a wig. It was like byproduct of a wig or me trying to do a crochet wig, and I was lazy and I felt horribly at it. So yeah, this one is getting. It's only 1/10. Why does my grandmother have so many kinds of these wigs? Alright, so these things are already giving me some kind of allergic reaction or something. I may have to take a break. What is this wig? Like, seriously, what is this wig? I'm not even going to try it. Yeah, this one is way better. Still giving me Coco Argente vibes though. So this is a hard no for me. I'm going to give this one a solid 1/10. Ooh, a pixie. Alright, so full disclosure, when I was in the first year of the university, I rocked this wig. What I meant to maybe have like another video where I took wigs from my grandma's room or something and I basically fixed that one. But when I was in university, I rocked this wig, okay? But this one isn't bad. It's giving me some Solange vibes and some Beyonce. No, not Beyonce. It's giving me some Solange vibes and some Halle Berry vibes. And I think the wig is okay. I've never seen my grandmother in this wig, by the way. So I'm going to give this one a solid. I'm going to give it a solid 6. I think 6 is okay. I mean, the wig is not bad. If I was stranded and I had to go out in a week, I would go out in this one. So 6 across the board. Not bad. This wig has a 4x4 closure. Okay. If I was in a band and my name was Zorella or something, I would wear this wig and be a bass guitarist, like swing, swing. Alright, this wig is giving me Sammy Deco vibes. I don't know if you know I'm not sure you know Sammy Deco, but Sammy Deco was, I don't know, these people always switch careers, but he was a Cameroon musician and he was really quite popular, and this thing is giving me serious Sammy Deco vibes. Hi, my name is Zorella and I'm a bass guitarist. This wig is confusing on all levels of confusion. Like, couldn't they just bring the whole thing down here so that we can have a bob action? Because the wig is not, the concept of the wig is not bad, but it's the execution. Like, what is this? Wait, you need to see the back. Like, people, where did we go wrong? If it was like a little bit down here, I think that it was going to be flawless. My grandmother absolutely doesn't like this wig. Every time she's like, oh, I need to go somewhere, fix my hair for me, and then I pick this one, she'll be like, no, she does not like it, that it doesn't fit her. And yes, grandma, I agree, we share the same thoughts on this. So I'm going to give this one a solid 5, just because the idea was there but the construction did not come through. Okay, so yeah, a 5 for me. Oh, last but not the least, so this one is a 4x4 closure, and it's some sort of, what was this? Is it twist braided wig? I don't know, something of that sort. Okay, not bad, not bad at all. So what if this wig had like a fringe moment? Like, I think it would still be badass. Let me try to look for the center line. Okay, this is the center line. All right, so this is how the wig looks like. I don't think it's that bad, and again, it's red. See, I told you my grandma's favorite color is red for hair. She always has like red or 27 blonde hair, and this is not bad. This is something that I could actually go out with, but I'll need to style it a little bit more so that we have like an execution and a plan. Let me see when it comes to the side. On the side, it's not bad as well. Like, if I was a Rastafari gal, definitely will rock this week 100%, but I'm not. So I'm not mad. So time to rate the wig. I'm going to give this wig a solid 8 out of 10. It's because the wig isn't bad. I actually vibe with the wig, and I actually like the way the construction is. Like, it's thick all around to the back, and you can actually tell that whoever made this wig knew what she was doing. Like, she saw the vision and she executed it, because it's not like loopy on all areas. And I actually like the wig. So if I was to wear this wig, I would definitely style it more so that it looks nice and everything. I'll probably do another video on my channel if you want to see that. So comment down below what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. Hiya, so we've come to the end of this video. As you can see, I tried to do something with the hair, even though it's like questionable, but it's fine. So comment down below, let me know which look was your favorite and which one you might want to try, which one looks, I don't know, reasonable to you or something. And that's basically it. So if you reach the end of this video, please please subscribe to my channel, and since you're already here, you can check out all other videos that I have. And that's basically it. As always, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.